Good morning, students. Today we will do last two stanzas of our poem, Analogy on the Death of a Mad Dog. So this poem gives us the idea about the difference between appearance and reality, the deception that is there between appearance and reality. Okay, so in this poem we found out that two uh, friends, first of all they were friends, one man, one dog. They stayed together, but somehow something happened and the dog left that man was a true Christian. Okay, he people believe that he belonged to a godly race as he helped everyone. He had a very kind and soft heart. Okay, he just gave clothes who are naked before he bore his own clothes on. Okay, so one day what happened, the dog who was there with another dogs who lived in streets, different kinds of breeds of dogs. Okay, so one day what happened, the dog went mad and he bit that holy man. And people, the neighbors came out. Okay, and they found out that the man was bitten by that mad dog, and they were surprised that why a dog bit that man. He was a very holy kind of man, and surely this dog had gone mad. Okay, so that he bit such a good man. So, what happened next? The wound it seemed both sore and sad to every Christian eye, and while they swore the dog was mad, they swore the man would die. So people who were seeing that man, okay, bitten by that mad dog, for every Christian eye, for every man that was there in the street, every neighbor, it seemed that that wound that was created by the dog, it was sore and sad. It was a very you can say a deep wound. Okay, very painful it was, and it was very sad for the part of the man. And what people were saying, that the dog was mad. As the dog was mad, surely this man would die because of the poison of that mad dog. Okay, but what happened? But soon a wonder came to light that showed the rugs they lied. The man recovered of the bite, the dog it was that died. But soon one surprise came. One surprise happened. What was that surprise? That showed the rugs they lied. The rugs they lied. So the people who were saying these kind of things, that a man would die and all that thing, it proved a lie, because the man recovered from the dog bite, but the dog was dead. The dog died. So it was quite opposite. They were thinking that man is very holy, man is very pure from his heart and blood, but he survived that poisonous attack by the dog. But the dog who bit that human being, bit that man, he died. It means that the man had more poison in his heart. That man was, from appearance he was holy man, but from inside he was not a holy man. He was a kind of devil. He was so devil, he was so poisonous that the dog died. Okay, so it symbolically it gives us the ideas that appearances can be deceptive. The man who look holy, the man who look very pure from the outside, from his deed, we don't know what is there inside his heart, how devil a man could be. The animals, we are saying this dog is mad, maybe the dog is just behaving like that, but he is not mad. Sometimes we saw many aggressive dogs and many aggressive animals, but they sometimes accidentally or incidentally they did some deeds of humanity. Okay, so this poem gives us the idea that appearances can be deceptive. We can never judge a man from his appearance. If somebody is very well dressed, behaving very well, it doesn't mean from inside also he is like this. Okay, so as we did all the poem, all this poem in non live classes, so tomorrow is your live class. I will explain you whole poem again. Okay, if any doubts will be there, you can clarify your doubts in tomorrow's